Get ready to revolutionize the look and feel of your home with Conversions Technology screwless wall plates. Say goodbye to the hassle of unsightly screws and hello to a sleek and seamless design that is both easy to install and visually stunning. Our screwless wall plates are the perfect way to upgrade the appearance of your home while also increasing its value. Available in a range of sizes, styles, and colors, our wall plates are designed to fit any room and match any decor. Our design makes installation a breeze, allowing you to easily switch out old, worn-out wall plates with our stylish and modern alternatives. Say goodbye to the frustration of traditional wall plates and experience the ease and elegance of our screwless technology. From bedrooms to living rooms, our wall plates are the perfect finishing touch to any home renovation project. So why wait? Make the switch to Conversions Technology screwless wall plates today and transform the look of your home.